Actually, I've been a content creator for some time now, and I've had a lot of passion in creating content. So starting this YouTube channel on my mind, I'm like, I need to pour out some of my strategies or show one or two people or grow together with one or two other content creators out there. And hopefully that content creator I'm going to grow along with is you. Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with Bris. My name is Fabrice Manya. In this channel, we cover mostly content creation. We're going to be teaching you all the step-by-step procedures on how to create your content or how to grow in the content creation career. We're going to be showing you how to edit your videos, how to create good videos. We're going to be talking about video editing tips, what tools to use, what tools not to use. We're going to also be talking about content planning, how to plan your content. Most of the times, a lot of people don't grow in the content creation field because they don't follow these little procedures. But we are going to drill you through the journey of starting from scratch to being a pro in the content creation field. Also, we're going to be talking about monetization strategies. Sometimes people just create content without following the monetization policies, and at the end of the day, you see them struggling or trying to get their content monetized. We're going to be showing you the trick and the strategies on how to get your content to be qualified for monetization. Not all contents that are dropping out there are actually qualified for monetization. Most people create content and forget to follow the monetization strategies, which at the end of the day, when their content is not monetized, they feel discouraged and leave the content creation skills. Trust me, creating content is one of the very good most selling professions out there right now. We have a lot of content creators, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of Facebookers, a lot of TikTokers out there right now creating content. What matters the most sometimes, especially when it comes to YouTube, is the quality of your content and how you create the content and what the purpose of that content is. So we're going to be walking you through different types of content that you're going to post on different types of platforms. We're not just going to be focused only on YouTube. We're also going to be drilling you throughout the journey of starting a content creation skills from scratch, what tools you need to start creating content, what backgrounds, what environments, what you need and what you don't need. A lot of people nowadays, especially new content creators, they waste a lot of money buying stuff which they were not supposed to buy. And a lot of people nowadays go astray doing things that were not supposed to be done in their content, not because they actually want to do that, but because there was nobody to guide them and because they didn't follow some strategies and they didn't get advice from anybody on what to get and what not to get. Whether you are a pro already or you are intermediate content creator or you are a beginner, this channel is going to be a plus for you. All you need to do right now in order to grow in the content creation career or to grow as a pro from whatsoever level you are in the content creation field right now is to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, make sure you turn on the notification bell, as we're going to be dropping videos on this channel back to back. At least every week we're going to be dropping at least 3 videos on this channel, which will help you to grow your content creation skills. And also, if you have any topic which you like me to create content on, or any topic which you're facing challenges about or anything, make sure you drop it at the comment section of this video so that I will be able to clarify your doubt and help you out to progress and succeed in your content creating career. We're going to be drilling you throughout a lot of tools, a lot of free tools and paid tools, different types of applications that you use in editing your content and different ways of editing your content. Whatsoever thing you need to grow in the content creation career, we are going to give it onto you. All you need to do is to hit the subscription button below and subscribe to this channel, and also drop your difficulties at the comment section of this channel and let us know if you are ready to travel this journey of content creation together with us on Grow with Bris. Thank you all very much. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when we post our very first video, which will be introduction into content creation, you will be the very first person to watch that video. Thank you very much. Make sure you hit the subscription button. See you in that video.